Okay guys, so the car is on the car O-liner jig, which is here. It's not on there right now, it's just on the ramp, so we're going to lower it soon. These are the clamps which we've made just for BMWs. So this piece here goes in right inside there when we lower the car down. This is a sill clamp. Normally a car sills like this, so the clamp just normally clamps it down. And with BMs, the sill is flat, so when you take the side skirt off you can see it, and you need to buy a clamp for it, which is normally too expensive. So we made a homemade clamp. These are the alloys that I brought from my BM, as I've cracked one. I had a look underneath the car and it's in good condition. Everything's just nice and shiny, and we're going to be pulling this end today, hopefully, when we get a bit of time. So we'll lower the car shortly. Here's the engine. Yeah, so there's nothing touching anything, so which is good. Okay guys, so we've got the car mounted. As you can see, it's inside the jacking area all around. So I'm going to take the light off first, and then we'll mount this dozer onto this side of the car shortly. But yeah, we'll start with taking the light off first. Put this rubber in the boot for now. So the light is held on by 3 torque 30s. Loosened them already, so we'll take the light out next. Okay guys, so we have pulled this so we can get access to these bolts here, and then we can get access to this frame and these bolts here. Just found some more broken wires, but we'll sort that out soon. Yeah, so we've taken this top front panel piece off. We're going to take this off next, and then we'll take this bumper bar off so we can get access to this chassis legs, and we can pull it this way. Okay guys, so we've taken all the front stuff off. So that's why we needed a jig to pull it out. With aluminium you can't pull it. It just snaps, or it doesn't end up snapping off aluminium, like as you can see here. If this was metal, none of this would have happened. So with this one, what we're going to do is, we did cut this bit off because it's metal anyway, so it just takes the strain off this. So with the chassis leg, we're going to make a cut here, and we're going to put a box section inside and do aluminium welding. Here's all the old parts. So I've got all the new air ducts and stuff like that, but as you can see, this was all badly crumbled in. We've got the light bracket, we've got the new latches and stuff. That side light bracket and the air duct is fine, so we're going to reuse that. Here's the new front panel. So this is all new parts from the dealers. It doesn't look new, but it is. And here's a chassis leg. So we're going to cut here, and then we're going to put a box section inside here. So there'll be a aluminium box section which will be a rectangle shape, so the same as the chassis leg, and that's about it. And then we're basically going to do some welding inside and most probably rivet it. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll come to that a bit later on. But yeah, that's it for now. What's happening guys? So yesterday we removed the complete rad pack, the radiator bottle, the AC condenser which was here, and a few other bits and bobs, and we cut off this section here of the flitch which is here, which was all the damaged part. Next thing we're removing is this part here. So this damaged part, this part's alright, and then hopefully we'll be replacing it today with the new chassis leg which is on the opposite side. So I'll show you that in a bit. So I'm going to cut this off and I'll show you how it looks inside. So give us a second guys. Okay guys, so we've cut this section off, as you can see, and it's all crumbled here, and I'll show you why it's crumbled in a second. So now this part is not damaged, it's all fine. This part we've not tapped it back out because this is all metal anyway, so that's all fine. Subframe looks okay, but we will do the measurements a bit later on to see how it is. I did move the anti-roll bar link and took it out from here, the anti-roll bar, so we can get access cutting it around, so it's nice and easy. Even the welding part shouldn't be too bad. We can get all the way around and get a belt sander to sand it down. As you can see guys, we've made the cut here, and this section's all cut now. So all we gotta do is make the cut along here. So that's it, that's done. And this is the point I was on about, that BMW have put a crumble zone here. So as you can see, I'll have to turn it over. Is that the way? Yeah, so here's the crumble zone. So as you can see how it just bends in there, so it doesn't send no damage along here, which is a good part. But the only annoying thing is they've got this aluminium, which is a pain, and I'm sure other body shops will agree with me that having aluminium chassis and stuff like that, it's annoying. If it's steel, it's easier to work with. So that's it for now. So we're going to cut that, and then we're going to align it onto the car. We're most probably going to be using these box sections just to make it slightly stronger. So basically it'll go in like that, and then we'll rivet it and weld it inside, so we've got more strength there. And then we're just going to do a few tacks first, so if we do need to adjust it we can, and we'll fit the wing on, bonnet, front panel, see how everything goes, and then once we know that it's correct, that's when we'll start finishing it up completely.